Today's topic Superbadge Apex for Agentforce. On this topic, we are challenging. This challenge is this second challenge: create an invocable Apex class to call an existing functionality. For this, first we will launch new window. This one, playground, and here we'll go to the what is here. We have some invoke. Here can create an invocable Apex class to call an existing functionality. Second challenge. Go to the developer console. Here, challenge team to source customer reviews. Already we have service agents on the site. Tasks. Customize agent actions. Use class. Apex class named guest to review process. Guest review. Open that guest review class. Guest review process. Here. Double click on it. We have here this already existing one. Here we need to be create first invocable methods for this guest review request. For this name of this class name this as guest review request here. For this class, we are creating invocable methods for this all public contact, public experience, and public string view and rating. These four for objects, we are creating invocable method. At we can use the to write the invocable methods. We can use the developer method. Here we have some this resource apex developer guide we can use here. Here we have no invocable method annotations and invocable variable annotations. We can use invocable. Here we are using invocable variable. Here we have so many methods here. Variable, invocable variables. If our requirement is here is this one, and experience review rating wrapping define variables of this required is required variable invocable required variable here default variables required variable here true required variable result is true variable true here. At invocable variable required is true. This method we are using here. This in this is true for required true and label equals contact. We are using this contact like this and description. We are using description here for the description equal to you can use whatever description for the contact for this object, contact object. We're using here contact. The contact uh, who's submitting, the contact who sub, submit for, sorry, here I'm going to there is our window submitting for here. We need to move this side. Submit. Submitting review. Submit for to review. Like this, we are same invocable method. Just copy and paste for all the objects. We are same method is we are using for all the object, copy and paste, and we are just changing this variables experience for object experience, copy. We are using experience instead of contact. You can change this like this. Sorry, not here, not experience. Here, this one for the review, label review, and just subscription. This one you can use to review the record. And here is same thing for the rating, copy, and we are using, yeah, changing the objects here, and description also changing for the review, who is reviewing. um, just like that. For the next, we are next is here what is going on here. Next, guest review response for the build out and output grab class method. Guest review response, this one here, guest review response class. This one is processing guest review request response here. For this here is same, we are using that innovative class variable. Sorry, same this one. We are using the same this class like this. You know, the same method we are using. Just we are this is not required. Uh, required like here we have all variables have we the required here in the response uh, guest review request class, but here in this class response class we not required, only we are asking the string message use output variable the string message and define the label parameter as status. This status only we are using here. Label is status and description is also the description status. Provide description status to the review for review for the review. Just like this. And next is here is an build an invocable method called process reviews. Label parameter with the label this here, this in this class we are using we are writing the code. Already I have here some code, already written code is there here. Here we are using this code already written close. All this code just I'm copying And here I am using the code here, same thing, all code here, and just save this file. After writing all the code, just save it and check the challenge. Create an invocable Apex class we created to call an existing functionality. You know how to, yeah. In the guest review processor class, we can't find the guest request public wrapper class with input to capture contact experience review and rating information to make sure contact. Here we have contact and experience and review. Here review. I think we created everything right. Again, we will save it and check it. Get the responses and add response. Yes, we did it. It's